Hello friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you the right way to learn English. Forget boring grammar rules, memorizing long list of words and translation. I'm going to tell you a super secret method called comprehensible input, which can help you learn English fast and naturally. By the end of this video, you will know step by step how to use this method so you can start speaking confidently without fear or hesitation. So let's dive in. What is comprehensible input? First, let's understand what comprehensible input actually means. In simple words, it's English that you can understand. Not too hard, not too easy. Just imagine you are learning English like a child learns its mother tongue. You listen, understand, and gradually pick up words and grammar naturally. You don't memorize grammar charts or translation. You absorb English like a sponge through meaningful context. For example, if I say, I eat an apple, you immediately understand because you know what an apple is and what eat means. This is comprehensible input. English that makes sense to you. The secret is the more you understand, the faster you learn. And yes, this works for anyone, whether you are a student, professional, or housewife. Why most people fail? Now you might be wondering why some people study English for years but still cannot speak. They rely on books, translation, and grammar rules. They practice writing or reading, but never listening or understanding real English. They memorize words without context, so they can forget them easily. Comprehensible input solves all these problems. You learn naturally in context, just like your first language. How to use comprehensible input step by step. I'll guide you each and every step. Step number one, start with English you can understand. Don't start with advanced books or movies with subtitles only in English. Use simple storybooks, cartoons, or YouTube videos designed for beginners. Listen or read English that is slightly above your level, not too hard, not too easy. Example, watch a kid's cartoon like Peppa Pig in English. You already know the context, family, school, fun, situations. So you understand most words. Step number two, listen and read every day. Daily exposure is the key. Even 20-30 minutes per day works a lot. Use podcasts, audiobooks, videos, anything that you can understand without translating. Your brain will start noticing patterns naturally, tenses, prepositions, and sentences structures. And my tip for you, don't worry if you don't understand every word. Focus on the meaning. Step number three, avoid translation. This is the most important step. Stop thinking in Hindi and translating word for word in English. Instead, try to associate English words with pictures, actions, or feelings. Example, if you see someone running, think he is running instead of वह दौड़ रहा है. Your brain will start thinking in English naturally. Step number four, speak early and as often as possible. Many learners wait too long before speaking. Don't do that. Even if you make mistakes, speak English every day. Use simple sentences at first. Repeat phrases you hear in videos or books. My special tip for you, try shadowing. Listen to a sentence and repeat it aloud immediately. For example, I like apples. Repeat 5-10 times naturally. It's very natural. Step number five, gradually increase difficulty level. Start simple, then slowly move to a more complex sentences and advanced stories. Read graded readers or English news at your level that you understand easily. Slowly, your vocabulary, grammar, and listening skills improve automatically. Step number six, make English part of your life. Use English in daily activities. Label objects at home, table, chair, door. Speak to yourself, I am brushing my teeth while brushing. Listen to English songs or watch shows actively, not passively. Step number 7, be patient and consistent. Consistency is the key. Comprehensible input is not a magic pill. It is natural, a scientific way to learn English. Consistency matters more than intensity. 20-30 minutes daily is better than 3 hours once a week. Trust the process and you will see fast improvements without stress. Now, my quick tips for faster results. Keep a small notebook for new words and phrases, but don't overdo it. Practice with friends and family. Even 5-10 minutes daily helps a lot. Focus on listening and understanding first, then speaking will come naturally. Enjoy the process. Learning English should be fun, not boring. So, friends, the super secret to learning English quickly is comprehensible input. Listen, understand, and absorb English naturally. Just like a child learns their first language. Avoid translation, speak early, and be consistent every day. If you follow these steps, I promise you will see improvements faster than you ever imagined. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and share with your friends who also want to learn English the right way. And comment below. I want to know what simple English sentences you will start using today. Thank you.